Black is. You see, black is more than just a color. Black is my native tongue, Krobo. Black is my hair pressed, my head wraps, and my body adorned in African beads. Black is the very thing that I was created to be. You see, black is my culture, my style of dress. Black is my ability to adapt and overcome being oppressed. You see, black is an art form of expression. The sounds of Muddy Waters, Mahalia Jackson, hymns, psalms, bloody palms, and two-raised fists. You see, black is the many nights that I too spent crying because I too have been placed on the black list. You see, black is my name, Naki Akrobeto. Black is the land of Somanya where my grandfather ruled. Black is the night over the West African shores. You see, black is dancing, the movement of my hips, to the words that came from Ducky Lube and Mr. Marley's lips. You see, black is the color of Harlem. It was the Renaissance. Black is a revolution, it's an evolution. Black is America. You see, black is darkness accented by the light. Black is beyond the journey. Black is my right. Black is heaven and the God that I serve above. Beyond what my natural eyes can see. Black is you and black is definitely me. You see, black is love, Isumawa. Sometimes being black might even cost, but as the drums beats and the beats drums, I will run towards my blackness, desiring to be showered by black, uplifted by black, empowered by black, because I'm proud to be black. You see, black is more than just a color. Black is my native tongue, Krobo. Black is my hair pressed, my head wraps, and my body adorned in African beads. Black is the very thing that I was created to be. Now Webster, add this version of black to your dictionary.